Hello, my name is Gia Stark. I'm one of the Clinic and Sites managers here in the Masters in Counseling Psychology Field Placement Office. I want to give you a brief overview of the Practicum Fair this year, what to expect, and to give you some tips and tricks about attending the Practicum Fair.
Go.
Okay, so what is the Practicum Fair? It's a once-a-year opportunity for students to engage with approximately 60 different Bay Area agencies. So for the different agencies, there might be clinical supervisors that are there. Sometimes it's CIS alumni who are present representing these different agencies. And it's an opportunity for you as a student to engage with the different agencies and to see what a traineeship might look like at these different sites. So how to prepare for the Practicum Fair. Check out the list of RSVP'd agencies ahead of time. This list of RSVP'd agencies is on campus. It's also going to be online on the MCP Field Placement tab on MyCIS. It'll also be blasted on the student listserv as well. Have a plan of which sites you want to check out at the fair or get more information about ahead of time. For students, it's not necessary to bring a resume or cover letter day of the Practicum Fair. If you are about to graduate and are looking for an associateship or potentially a paid position, you might want to bring a resume or a cover letter or some more information about yourself. So Practicum Fair 2018 is Friday, December 14th. Starts at 12 p.m. It ends at 3 p.m. It's located at CIS Mission Campus in Namaste Hall as well as room 304. It'll be San Francisco agencies in Namaste. It'll be the other Bay areas, so East Bay, North Bay, South Bay, and room 304. At the entrance to both rooms, there'll be a map listing where the different agencies are within each of the rooms. There'll also be a handout for students and other interested folks to grab that'll have some tips and tricks in terms of what to do if you're feeling anxious, how to engage with the different agencies, as well as a space for you to list out the agencies that you want to interact with or visit during your time at the Practicum Fair. Some folks find it helpful to go in and do a lap around the different tables and agencies to get a feel for the energy in the room, to ground yourself and to kind of ease any sort of anxiety or nerves that might be arising in interacting with these potential sites. This is an exciting event and a wonderful first step in your career as a therapist in training. We look forward to seeing you at the event. If you have any questions the day of the event, be sure to check in with any of the field placement staff that day. Thank you and good luck to you.